Howdy folks, welcome back to Mr. Wilson's Cooking Shack. Today, wasn't feeling particularly fancy. We're just gonna do hobo stew today. A very simple recipe. Select any kind of meat you want. Today I got chunks of beef. And we've had that cooking for, well, this is just chunks of meat. And it wasn't particularly tenderized or anything. We've had that cooking since about 4.5 hours. And that's going to create our stock and the basis for our flavor. And of course being the chunks of meat for the stew. And just salt, pepper, and garlic. A little bit of water, let it roast for a long time. Simple stuff. Alright, we got the rest of our ingredients in there. We got some chopped taters, chopped onions, canned corn, canned tomatoes, canned green beans, and yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, the beef from earlier and a little bit of tap water. Wouldn't be hobo stew without some tap water. We're poor around here. We don't use filtered water for our food. Ain't nothing wrong with tap water. Well, I guess that depends on where you live. Out here in the middle of nowhere, it's pretty well clean. We got it on medium heat. We're going to cook it till it boils and marries and till the onions and taters done. And then that's pretty much it. Season it with more black pepper, more salt, more garlic. Can't imagine anything else we could use. Can you? Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's just pretty much anything you got left over. Those are leftover onions from a couple other cooking projects, and taters. They're grown here in Texas. And of course canned vegetables, because can't afford to buy all that fresh, but ain't nothing wrong with using canned. Pre-canned stuff. But that's the whole thing with this, using whatever you got in your kitchen. Alright y'all, we have come to our end of our little cooking venture. This has been cooking for, well, about 6 hours. You can cook it in faster time, but it ain't gonna be near as tasty. Well, the only thing that really took a long time was the stew meat. Dad had to cook down to the point where it was actually tender. Everything else, about an hour and a half. That's just to marry everything, cook the taters, cook the onions. But yeah, that'll do it. This hobo stew. Y'all have a good one.